On April 14, the founder of Peace and National Unity, leader of the nation, President of the Republic of Tajikistan, His Excellency Emomali Rahmon, visited South region to get acquainted with the living conditions of the people, the course of beautification and construction works, opening of various facilities, visit of farms and talks with residents. The working visit of the President of the country, His Excellency Emomali Rahmon, has started from Ayni district. At the temporary airport of Ayni district, the head of state was warmly welcomed by the chairman of South region, Chulboi Ahmadzada, and the leaders and activities of the region. At this point, the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, Emomali Rahmon, first put into operation the ore-dressing enterprise of the closed joint stock company TALCO Gold. During the acquaintance with the process of processing of raw materials and other works carried out in this industrial zone, it was found out that in the closed stone company TALCO Gold, on the basis of the project and the plant enrichment for fluoration method, is 5,000 tons per day and 1.5 million tons per year. On this basis, the annual production of gold metal is 2.2 tons and antimony is 21,000 tons. It was noted that mining at this enterprise is carried out by underground processing and open pit mining. To date, more than 25,000 meters of tunnels have been dug for gold and antimony mining. As for the open pit part, the stratification works are being continued. It should be noted in recent years as the initiative of the government of the Republic of Tajikistan and the attraction of domestic and foreign investment in the country has ensured the development of the metallurgical industry and the launch of new enterprises on this basis. The initiative to develop the national economy and create thousands of new jobs has yielded the desired results. Especially in the cities and districts of South region, this process has become more widespread. April 14, the founder of Peace and National Unity, leader of the nation, President of the Republic of Tajikistan, His Excellency Emomali Rahmon, laid the foundation stone for the construction of a new metallurgical plant and gold refinery of TALCO Gold in Ayni district. It was noted that these two new enterprises will be built and put into operation within a year with a high level and quality and equipped with modern technological lines. The production capacity of new metallurgical enterprise is 2.2 tons of gold per year, 15,000 tons of antimony powder, 99.85%, and 6,000 tons of white antimony, 99.5%. With the commissioning of two new enterprises of TALCO Gold, the production of gold and antimony will reach its maximum, and more than 500 local residents will be provided with permanent jobs. In the process of construction and installation of equipment, more than 1,000 people will be employed.